I was at the Louvre when the biggest heist took place. Can I now say that I was part of a historical moment? Let's start from the beginning. I had been to Paris before but never inside the Louvre. So today I decided to change that, all dressed in a cute outfit and even stuffed myself with a nice meal for all the walking ahead. But when we reached the museum, something felt off. Gates closed, lesser people, security everywhere, and even journalists. They told us an incident took place, which is why they had to close the museum for the day. Never did I think the incident would be a heist. Not me casually vlogging in the middle of a heist, and I swear I felt like I'm in a scene from Doom 2. Anyway, the show must go on and I went out to indulge in the second most popular thing to do in Paris, shopping. And that's when I heard it. Again? You know what? Let's just declare Boli Churia as the title track of this trip. Saw this cute old Indian uncle dancing on it, and then I realized, oh, it's my dad. I'm one of those family members who will enter 10 different stores and buy 2 things, and I get bullied for that. So today I thought, let me shock them all. And so some damage was done, including 2 pieces of very pretty jewelry from Dior. Can't wait to show you guys. And then I went into my favorite store. I was very confused between these 2 bags, one being the beige one and the second one is the black one. Tell me which one you guys like more. I really hope you pick what I picked. And what's a shopping day without some eating breaks in between? And when in Paris, you have to have a crepe. Honestly, very out of character for me, but today I felt like Rebecca from Confessions of a Shopaholic. Then we went to the very popular pull-in store. There was literally a line outside. I honestly loved so many pieces here, like the Sime bag. Just look at that color. Also loved how chic these bucket bags looked. The brown one really stood out to me. What do you guys think? More damage was done, and I call this my fall bag. Wait for the unboxing because this one's so nice. And the men of the trip were obviously getting pissed at the women shopping, so we grabbed a meal and ended the day after 30,000 steps and a heist. See you next time.